Hey y'all, I got strawberries and I have apples and it's a beautiful day outside. So what should we do? I have an idea. I think we'll make fruit dip, Kimberly style. So stay right here, don't leave. We're gonna make some fruit dip. Come on, let's go do it. Oh, and did I mention when I say Kimberly style, I mean it's gonna have a little twist. Y'all stay here, we're gonna get started right now. Okay, so welcome back to Kimberly's Kitchen, and let's go over these ingredients, okay? Because we got a few of them. We started this whole thing off with strawberries because I wanted some strawberries and these looked really good. Actually, I wasn't going in there wanting them, but I saw them at the store and they looked really good, so I got them. Okay, and then I forgot about them and they've been in the fridge for about 3 days now, so we got to go ahead and fix this. Oh, and apples. Now we're using Pink Ladies. Y'all let me know in comment, what is your favorite apple? Because we went through several different apples before we could get one that tasted good. There was several of them. I can't remember the names. I believe it was even a red delicious, I believe was one of them. And it was just bland, no flavor whatsoever. So far, the Pink Ladies have been delicious. But let me know in comments below. Just talk to me and tell me what's your favorite, okay? And then we're gonna use some Philadelphia cream cheese, and we're gonna use a little bit of Cool Whip. And my favorite part of this whole dish, y'all, is the jet puffed marshmallow cream. Y'all, I love this stuff. Let me just say, I love this stuff. And because I love it so much, I bought this to make my dip with when I bought the strawberries about 3 days ago. Well, probably a little more than 3 days ago, probably about 4 days. Anyway, you see this? I don't think y'all can see real good, but if you look right here, I can see it. It's supposed to have been up here. See, it started up there, but it's down here. Guess why? Yeah, you guessed it. Me and a tablespoon digging a tablespoon at a time. So, because I couldn't resist the marshmallow cream, y'all, I had to send Charlie to the store to get me some more so I could make all of my dip. Yeah, I did that. So, anywho, don't forget the twist. Stay with me because when we're mixing this up, you'll see what my twist is. And it's really good. All right, so y'all, this is so easy, and you probably have your own recipe for a fruit dip. And if you do, let me know in comments your recipe because I might want to try it. But this is just an easy, simple, quick recipe that goes along with a great sunshiny, warm day and fruit. And the only fruit I have is strawberries and apples, but this is really good with cantaloupes, melons, kiwis, you know, the whole 9 yards. But like I said, we're going to start right here because that's what I have left in our fluffy white marshmallow cream. This is the best stuff, y'all. Oh my gosh. If I could just eat it all, I would. But I won't. Not this time.
I mean,
I just stuck it back in there.
You pretty much ate a lot of it.
I know. A lot. I didn't think you noticed it, though, until I told you to go get. Well, I guess you'd had to know, wouldn't you? Anyway, you know what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get all of this out of here. And marshmallow cream is very sticky. So I'm just going to take all of this out. Now, this is what is this? It's a 13-ounce container. And I'm going to use all of it because, well, it's going to be 13 ounces in here. And you can make more or less if you want to. But I'll bring you back when I got all this out.
What are you doing?
I didn't think you were filming. I'm eating marshmallow cream.
I think it's supposed to go in the bowl.
Not after I had my lips on it. Okay, so now I'm going to use an 8-ounce cream cheese. Now, if you don't like cream cheese, you could go less on the cream cheese and have it a little more sweeter. And if you don't want as much sweet, you can go less on the marshmallow cream. We all have different tastes. So, you know, just in your kitchen, it's your way. And in Kimberly's kitchen, it's Kimberly's way, right? But anyway, I'm using an 8-ounce. Normally, I'd let this sit out a little bit longer and let it get to room temperature so it would be easier to mix. But I came home from hanging out with the kiddos while they were doing Easter stuff and decided to make this. And so I didn't have time to sit out, right? Okay, so yeah. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our Cool Whip, which I have not opened yet. I don't add a lot of Cool Whip. It's just a little bit of Cool Whip. So, yeah, I'll be right back. All right, guys. I have my old-timey Sunbeam mixer. It still works pretty good. I have it over there behind me, so it's going to be kind of awkward here. So, can you see that? And you're just going to take that and mix it really well. I can't wait to dip these strawberries, y'all. It's going to be so good. Went on the floor. Did you see that? All right. That's all mixed up. So all I'm going to do now is, let me taste. Ooh, that's good. Okay. So now I'm just going to take a scoop, and this is my Pampered Chef spatula spoony thing that I talk about all the time. I'm going to put one of those. So that's probably a fourth of a cup maybe. But again, measure with your heart. Measure it the way you want it. And then I'm just going to mix that in. And you can see the creamy texture. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's going to have to go back there for a minute. I just can't do it. I make the biggest messes, y'all. Y'all already know I'm not a neat cook. I'm a messy cook. But I just want to come in here and get this off the edges of this so I can use all of my marshmallow cream. So that's down in there. All right, that's mixed up really, really good. And it's just me and Charlie. So yes, I'm using my finger to get it off the spatula, okay? If I was doing it for somebody else, I would wear a glove.
Ooh.
You want to lick my finger?
Sure.
I want to lick my finger. All right, so y'all are going to follow me over here because the cord is just a little bit too short. And I want to show y'all my twist. And yeah, I think you'll find out when we're mixing. So yeah, come on, follow. All right, I want y'all to guess in the comments as I'm doing this. I want you to guess, put it in what I'm doing before I actually show you what it is. Okay, so we're mixing, right? What is that? Tell me in the comments. It doesn't take a lot. What am I doing? What did I just put in there? They'll guess it?
Oh, yeah, I think they will.
Okay. Anyway, it takes just a little bit, not much at all, to give it a really good flavor. And you really don't want to overdo it because it'll just be too much. So that was probably, what you think, half a teaspoon, if that?
Maybe a little bit more than half.
And you really just do it by taste to make sure you have enough and not too much. So let's taste it. I think it could use just a little bit more. So I'm gonna do that. You do that whenever you're taste testing to make sure you got enough. Do what I did and just put a little bit on your finger.
You mean go?
Yeah, you can do that too. That's what really tells the tale. See, there's just a little bit more sprinkle. And I think that's just about right. Yeah, that's good.
Okay, can I try it?
Oh, you want one?
Yeah, I want it on a strawberry.
You want it on here? Huh?
Well, I did.
That's good stuff.
I'm sure it is.
You want some?
Yeah, before you...
Here, I'll give it to you. There you go.
Thank you.
Hang on. I'm going to show y'all. All right, just so y'all know, I did share with Charlie.
Yeah, one.
I only had one too.
Yeah, but you ate like spoonfuls of this stuff as you was cooking it or fixing it.
But tell me, what do you think so far?
That's good.
Is it good? Mm-hmm. All right. Do you like my little twist?
I do. I think the cinnamon is good in that.
Charles Michael.
Sorry.
You gave it away.
Well, I mean, they're going to guess.
But they might not have. Okay. We'll be back. All right, guys. The dip is done and the tasting is about to begin.
Ain't
Don't it
that
be
pretty?
Fine china and all.
That's right.
It does look good, though, doesn't it?
It does.
And the dip was good.
Well, okay. I'm glad.
And Charlie gave it away, y'all. Before you got to answer, maybe you knew what it was, maybe you didn't. But yeah.
They knew.
How do you know they knew?
They knew. Okay, can I eat now?
Yeah, you can eat.
Okay.
Is it good? Is it good?
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's so good.
Okay. So you had a strawberry. So I'm going to have a pink lady. Pink lady.
You know what I want?
That was good.
Mm-hmm. Do you know what I want, though? I want to be relaxing in the pool and have you come out with this, you know, you just kind of feed it to me.
Excuse me?
I think it'd be kind of
How about I'm in the pool relaxing on a float and you're like, baby doll. What do you think? Who should take it to who? Or we could just get a robot, feed us both. But anyway, the pink ladies have a really good flavor. They're nice and they're crisp and I don't know, how do you describe that flavor? It's
somewhere in between like a Red Delicious and probably a Granny Smith.
Yeah, something like that, because it's got that little sour note, but yet not sour, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
But then you add the dip, the creaminess, the sweetness, and then that little hint of cinnamon. Mwah, makes it very, very good. I like that.
Man.
I got to try strawberry.
Oh, looks like you done about ate all of them.
No, I haven't. Let me know, do y'all cut the green off of your strawberries? Or do you leave it on? When I'm using dip, man, I just like to hold it like that and then dip it like that. So I tend to leave the green part on. Now, if I'm making like strawberries and sugar, you know, for a strawberry shortcake or something like that, I'll cut them up. But for dipping, I like to do it this way. Y'all let me know in comments how you do it.
Man, that's almost just like a strawberry cheesecake. It really is. That's good.
Strawberries are juicy and sweet with that, you know, that little kick that a strawberry has, that little, what do you call it? That little bite that's not real sweet, you know? You know what I'm saying. Leave me alone. Y'all let me know what I'm talking about because I don't even know. But I do. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. But hopefully y'all do. Sorry, I get up here on this thing and I just kind of lose it. But that bite, the strawberry, the flavor of the strawberry, added to the sweetness, the tartness of the cream cheese, and then that little hint of cinnamon. Like I said, you can overdo the cinnamon, so don't do a lot of it. Just enough, and taste it. Don't put too much until you taste it, and then add more if you need more. But just that hint of cinnamon on there.
Yeah, really good.
That is so good.
And it would be super refreshing on a hot day.
Yes. Now, I don't know where. Y'all can let me know, or you can let me know in comments if you've had cinnamon in your fruit dip. Because honestly, I don't know where I came up with that. I don't know if I just decided one day I was going to put it in there. All I know is I've been doing it for years. I don't remember where it came from. I just know that's the way I do it. So anyway, it may not be as new as I think it is. I call it Kimberly's way with a twist. You know, fruit dip with a twist. but it may not be like that. You already might know about it. So yeah, you let me know in comments if you've had it this way. If you haven't had it this way, let me know in comments if you're going to try it my way. And if you do try it, let me know how you like it. And if you've already had it, let me know how you like it. Just anything in comments, talk to me. Because I want to hear from you. Yeah, you. Okay. I said we was going to get off here, right?
Don't y'all ever ask how I deal with this 24/7? I mean, do y'all ever think about that?
Because you love me. I don't know. We might not. I don't know. Anywho, we hope that you enjoyed the video. We hope it was short and sweet because, I tend to be breathy. As Charlie says, I talk a lot. So we're going to let y'all go. Or we're going to let you go. I keep saying it, but I don't do it, do I?
Well, I mean, you eventually do.
Okay, yeah. So, anywho, we're going to let you go now and let you get back to your day. Thank you for hanging out with us again. We super duper appreciate it. And if you like this video and this kind of content, go ahead and help us out. The best way you can help our channel is by liking, commenting, and sharing. So if you like us, hit the like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I think you'll enjoy following along with us. And when you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell because if you don't hit the bell, then YouTube's not going to let you know when we have another video coming out. They just won't do it. They're stubborn like that. So hit the notification bell. And if you like us a lot, go. Why are you laughing at me? Stop. That's why I can't do anything right on here. But if you really like us, go ahead and share us with your friends and family because they might like us too. And like I said, those are the best ways to support us in our channel is like, subscribe, notification, and share, comment, talk to me, and share, sprinkle the love. Anyway, we're going to let you go. Thank you for being here again. We love you. Always remember, no matter what is going on, ever, keep your head up, smiles on. It's your turn.
Come go eat with us.
Come go cook with us. Come on along.
Yeah.
You're a goober.